Pure Earth ese ne won manyamwa nti make say won Ghana Standard Authority mpedifo ka won ho abomu a nchanse e de no aduane no ne papa mu de won ba be ye se be ya nchanse na anya papa ye no aduane wo be wi akire emu ehun sunsuaso ha apomodin no ebeba fom.
Pure Earth ene de baba to just say nyame adom won mu ensa etumi aka sika bi a eba beboa ama enchense awodo ne yagia tumsi timi de no enuane enkofa nsunsanso boni bia emfamre apomodi no wono mo babe bi ewo manyi emu we ena wono mo ekire mu dia so ye ne sa ebetumi aboa ama enema hodo ekoye nipedua mu no ano betumi abafoma enkofa nsunsanso bia emre enchirima. Africa Regional Programs Director de Pure Earth Esmond Kwansa and den same we say etudwa.
We realize there are no standards for locally fabricated cookware, which we usually call that saying. The National Ghana Standards Authority reach out to us for support, and then we provide them the funding support they need to be able to develop the standards to regulate the cookware manufacturing sector. Isn't it ironic that over 90 homes in Ghana actually use the locally fabricated cookware, but there are no standards or regulations for them? You know, so the first step is having standards. This morning I got a call from some media houses asking me if they banned the cookware manufacturing activities, how would people survive? And my response is that no. The development of standard is the first step. The second step will be training and certification of these manufacturers. They don't know.
We eno wono mo sane to just say e wa fimpino ne dunu nsia ba besimu no wono mo ba be nhwehwemu bi e de afale de ahodo a ewo omanfo eni pedue mu a we wo kire mu asa wo ye ne sa betimi aboa amu hu no enkirekire ahodo se so de mo omanfo ene kwa be faso etimi aso ne meyi ano.
But the good news is that through this funding I just mentioned, we are going to be conducting a nationwide blood level measurement across the country. That will be a huge baseline. I mean, that will be the first of its kind, and Ghana is, part of that funding to have this done. So we will learn more after the first major nationwide blood level measurement. But for now, the awareness we will starting that in hopefully 2026.